All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin to staking the coin to using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of awesome stuff. Today we're going to be talking about a cryptocurrency, Tonic. Yeah, it's way down deep, over 3,000 on CoinMarketCap, but this coin is up 170 some percent in the last 7 days. Crazy 24-hour, crazy last 7 days, bringing you this token. This could be one to put on your radar. So we're going to go to their website, go to their Twitter, what's going on. This token is jumping off the charts. Holy cow. And then also, we have a 24-year-old artist who made over $300,000 selling NFTs, and she learned about NFTs a month earlier and then started selling the NFTs. 300 grand. She hopes to basically inspire people about her story. So we're going to go over that a little bit. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day own some cryptocurrency, own some NFTs, make some NFTs, you know, all kinds of good stuff with cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to Tonic. Okay, over here at CoinMarketCap, I can't even believe it. This token is up 178%. You see that right there? In the last 7 days, this token is up crazy numbers. It's called Tonic. Tectonic is the name. The ticker is Tonic, T-O-N-I-C, 29.27. And in the last 24 hours, it's up 16%. But look at that again, 178%. Clicking it. All right, in the last 24 hours, up 16%. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 1206. It actually just crushed. There was 6 zeros and it crushed one of the zeros, and now there's 5. So fantastic job, Tonic. All right, let's check this out. In the last 24 hours, take a look in the last 24 hours, but look at the last 7 days. The last 7 days, this token, again, it's up 178%. I mean, this is truly going up a mountain. So this may be the first time you're hearing a Tonic. That's why we're bringing it to you. Things to put on your radar so you know all about it before everybody else does. All right, over at the Twitter account, they've already landed some big things. The cross-chain money market on Cronus chain. All right, take a look at this. Tonic is already able to be on crypto.com, new on Crypto Earn. So they just put Tonic on there, deposits to start receiving rewards. Details right here. And I actually clicked it. New tokens on Crypto Earn, Beefy Finance, and Tectonic. Tectonic is the coin we're talking about today. So it says we have added Tonic and Beefy to Crypto Earns. So what about Tonic? Tonic is a decentralized, non-custodial, algorithm-based money market protocol built on the Cronus blockchain. The Tectonic protocol aims to provide security, seamless money market functionalities for cryptocurrencies, enabling multi-case cases for users. Users can deposit assets to earn passive income or borrow funds to unlock liquidity in their assets. So already on crypto.com. So you could go on crypto.com today and start working with Tonic. So it says here again on their Twitter, ApeBoard Tectonic is supported on apeboard.finance. You can now monitor your deposits and borrow positions right here. So look at that, pretty good stuff. And it says protocol security is always the #1 priority. Today we are pleased to announce that Tectonic smart contracts and price are now on the scope of Cronus chain bug bounty program. So on Cronus, they're actually doing this, which is fantastic because security is important. All right, over here at the website Tectonic shifts in lending and borrowing. Enter the app. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back to this here. Being up 178%. We'll do our price prediction a little bit after this. This is fantastic. So many coins are down right now. 178% in 7 days. Holy cow, everybody. All right. 24-year-old makes $300,000 making and selling NFTs. Let's check this out. 24-year-old artist has made over $300,000 in 10 months selling NFTs. I hope to inspire more creatives who love color. So here's some of her art. It says, since February, Lana Dinina has earned over $300,000 selling her art as NFTs, non-fungible tokens on various platforms. But only a month earlier, she began to learn what they were. At the time, I didn't know about the blockchain. The 24-year-old tells CNBC She started looking into it, and she was mind blown. It was completely revolutionary. As a painter, Denina was instantly impressed by the technology and her abilities to act with a vehicle for proof of ownership for the artist. She says traditional galleries are more like the old world, and since it isn't much diversity, Denina says, I never fully was attracted to it, especially a woman of color. Unlike the traditional market for art, NFTs and Web3s allow the artists to create their own galleries and set their own price online. Denina explains artists can also earn royalties on the secondary sales of the work with the NFTs. Denina herself earns 10%. She says, I hope to inspire more creatives who look to take the first step into the tech, she says. This is actually one of her NFTs. Look how fantastic that is. Really, really good. Denina is based in Montreal, Canada. Started selling NFTs paintings she created by one, but later began listing the entire collection. They're both unique. The single works are one of a one, non-generated pieces, where collections often are meant to be collectibles. She minted her most recent collection called the Mona Lana in November, and she sold out within weeks. The Mona Lana collection included 500 unique portraits of women created by Denina. Each portrait was generated by a code with 112 different traits, she says. Wow, pretty good stuff here. So again, just a couple of the NFTs she's created right there. Fantastic. And again, 24-year-old artist has made over $300,000 in 10 months selling NFTs. Fantastic, everybody. And a month earlier, she learned about it. All right, so if you're thinking about NFTs, you may want to learn about it. 1 month from now, you could actually start having your own collection, especially if you're an artist. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. I think that's pretty interesting. I did a video about 2 weeks ago about somebody on TikTok making $8,600 a month on TikTok. She just learned about that earlier, too. Within under a year, she got the $8,600. This lady right here is 24 years old, making $300,000 selling NFTs. And she's an artist, so she's putting her art together, and she's offering it. Pretty awesome stuff, everybody. All right, Tonic. What's going on? Price prediction. Back over to the website. All right, here we are at the website. Tectonic shifts in lending and borrowing. Tectonic is a cross-chain money market for earning passive yield and assessing instant-backed loans. All right. Says generate passive yield on your assets. Crypto assets deposit into Tectonic earns attractive APYs based on the dynamic rate according to the market demands. Earnings are available immediately with no lockup. Over here, instant liquidity at your fingertips. Get instant loans to unlock liquidity from idle crypto assets in Tectonic. Couple things keeping your funds safe is our top priority. It's an audited smart contracts. Our smart contracts have been audited by lending, blockchain, security, insurance funds coming soon, and the open source. The open source are among the funding principles of DeFi, which Tectonic is proudly committed to. Join the community. All right, back over here at CoinMarketCap. Now this one's a tough one because it's up 178%. So my price prediction is the coin's going to keep going up. I'm not going to put a number on it, but you want to pay attention to it. All our information is for educational purposes only, but we're bringing you this because you probably don't know about this token. And again, it's $29.27 here on CoinMarketCap, up 178%. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Tonic, new cryptocurrency, probably the first time you're checking it out. So that's fantastic. Up 178% in the last 7 days. Put it on your radar. 24-year-old making NFTs, making $300,000 now. She's doing them one at a time, and she's doing collections. You may want to look at some NFTs today. Don't forget to click the like button. Click right here to see our most recent video. Hey, everybody, it's Super Bowl weekend that the winner of the championship games are going to the Super Bowl, and we're going to be watching crypto commercials all day long. Have a fantastic day, and we'll see you a little bit later.